Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here.
This is the
Welcome
fire,
to Carla's
guys.
Kitchen CC YouTube
yes, my
channel.
stepdad, he's going to be making
Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing.
Oh wow,
Carla's
that
Kitchen
sounds
CC, best cooking around here.
So this is
she's
the
creative,
fire, so we're
unique,
going authentic,
skillful,
Jamaican
and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen.
So my
Don't forget
stepdad
Carla's Kitchen CC.
is going to be
clean and everything neat
coconut
and delicious. In a
on the
Carla's
fire.
Kitchen.
So this is the coconut milk.
Carla's Kitchen, remember to
And
subscribe.
Yeah, so you have spice in it already.
Not completely, but
yeah, man, click the red subscribe button.
Alright,
and
so
turn
now
on the
he's
post
going to put the
notification
pot
bell. So you'll be
All
notified
right.
whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC. You hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah.
So what you will be doing next?
No, when I'm gonna prepare like the saltfish and scallion, thyme, onion, garlic, tomato.
Okay.
So when it reaches a certain level, then you add the seasoning, the rest of seasoning to it.
Alright.
And then finally it cook down to the level that you need.
Okay guys, so we are going to show you the process step by step as you go along, okay? Okay, so what are you doing now, Mr. Francis?
Preparing the saltfish to put into the coconut milk on the fire.
So did you boil the saltfish before?
No, I did not boil this one. If you boil it, you got the salt out of it, I got to boil out. So you have to put it, I just soak it last night in some water.
Okay.
So now I'm just preparing it now. I just going after clean it up, then I wash it and add it to the pot.
Oh, so soaking it from overnight is actually better than boiling it? That's
right, because when you soak it overnight now, the water absorb, you take out the salt, majority of the salt out of it.
Okay.
But you still have to leave little salt, make the salt into it to add it with it, or else you have to go add little salt back
to the pot. Okay.
To bring back the taste.
So you're trying to tell me now you have to like have little salt in it to bring up the flavor in the pot.
Correctly.
Okay. So guys, he's preparing the saltfish now to put it in the coconut milk. Alright? And it's bubbling over there. Yes, there guys, it's bubbling, the pot bubbling up. Yes. And the wood fire blazing. Yes guys. Real Jamaican authentic cooking outside.
They call it we call it rundown, but sometimes some people call it dip and fall back.
Oh, so you have more than one name for this?
The two names meant
okay, so one of the names is rundown and one is dip and fall back.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so this is these are the seasons, some of the seasons. Put carrot, thyme, scallion, garlic into this bag now. So I'm gonna pour it into the pot. Okay. So these wash up and everything already and cut up. So this is the pepper. Generally we put a green pepper into the pot, but we don't have any green one now. So I'm just going to put a little piece of this ripe one and put it in there. You understand?
That is Scotch bonnet
Scotch bonnet pepper.
Yeah.
You know, it gives very good taste.
Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna put this piece into it.
Alright.
Now that we just need to taste, but not to make it that pepper.
Okay.
Understand? So I guess that will be good for this time being, and you stir it. So you just leave it, let it go on to the time cook down, and then from there, whatever it need again, we had it. Maybe might need a little more salt as well. Alright, that is it so far.
So you're going to cover it back now and let it do its course.
Yeah, right. Okay, that is it so far.
So you're adding now to the pot.
One tomato.
Oh wow.
And so I had some tomato.
Yeah.
I had more than one, you know, but you know, one is good, can be good, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm gonna cut it up.
Yeah.
Small pieces.
Okay. so good, guys. Looks very delicious already.
So this night when it's finished with boiled dumpling and boiled banana.
Okay.
Even with roast breadfruit.
Wow.
You see this thing now?
What is that?
Name.
Turmeric.
Turmeric.
Okay.
So when I put, it could be curry also.
Okay.
If you have curry, use, and if you don't have no curry, you can use the turmeric. In order to just change the color, just that name white color and the color, just give it a little bit, just leave it at.
So it is not so white.
No, that's so white.
Okay.
Just change it.
So he's adding some turmeric to the pot. Maybe about a tablespoon of turmeric. He just added.
The color enough that gives.
Right, so it gives it a different color.
Not white, not white. Yeah, what you have.
Like a pale yellowish
color.
Color.
Color, change color.
Yeah.
White to that color. The curry that do is very good.
Yes.
So we're gonna leave it right there. Keep it, take your time and cook down.
Okay guys, so my stepdad is going to check the pot now to see where it's at.
Yeah, so this is the final part of it. Well, you like, don't like. Alright, it's almost it's on the ready stage right now. See, if you notice the seed, some people love it like this way. It carry a lot of gravy. When some person love it when it cut more higher. But I think this is the right stage for it, you know. We have more juice in it right now. So it's ready, so I'm gonna take it off the fire any moment now. And this is the final part of it.
So take up some in the spoon and bring it up to the camera so they could get a better view. Okay, so that is what it looks like.
Yep.
Wow, it smells so good. Wow. So this is Jamaican authentic
rundown. Otherwise, you can fall back. Alright, so it's finished now.
Okay.
Final stage of it. So I'm gonna take it off the fire right now.
So what you're going to have this with?
You're gonna have it with wild banana, wild dumpling, roasted breadfruit, and just about anything where you just feel like you want it to have it with it. But those are the best thing we always do this year.
Okay.
Like wild banana, wild dumpling, and it's pretty good.
Alright guys, so you hear that?
The final moment of it.
So the rundown are fallen with me, drop off.
No,
Guys, I'm trying to get used to the other name.
Dip and fall back.
Dip and fall back. So there's another name for it. The authentic Jamaican rundown. Dip and fall back. Alright. Yes guys. So with this meal you can have it with boiled food, as you said earlier, like boiled dumpling, roast breadfruit, I mean boiled plantain, anything.
You feel like you want to have it.
Yam, yes, sweet potato, but I think it goes well with boiled food.
Banana
yes.
dumpling.
Yes.
Yeah.
Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC, yeah. You hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah, 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 yeah.